And welcome back everyone. Today we are going to build dominant seventh chords. To build a dominant seventh chord, build a major triad, and on top of the root note, build a minor seventh. So first of all, I took my major triad, C major, and on the root note I have built a minor seventh. So the chord symbol will just be a C, which will stand for the major triad. Root note is C. If nothing else is written, it means you are dealing with a major triad. And on top of this major triad, I get my minor seventh interval. So let's build G7. G, B, and D already give a G major triad. Now I need to build a minor seventh on top of the G. So let's check if F is the minor seventh. We jump up an octave to the G, count down to the F, 1, 2 semitone steps down from the octave will be the minor seventh. So this is G7 or G dominant 7. Let's build A flat 7. A flat is in a space, so the other notes need to be in spaces as well. First of all, I build my A flat major chord. Major third, minor third, or the outer interval is a perfect fifth. From A flat to C we find 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a major third. Now we need a minor third on top of the major third. 3 semitone steps up, 1, 2, 3. This is this key. The tone material given is this, so I need to flatten this E to an E flat. And this automatically will give us the perfect fifth between tone 1 and tone 3. Now we need a minor seventh on top of A flat. Let's see what we got. We jump up the octave and we see the tone material given is a G. However, we need to go down 2 semitone steps from A. 1, 2, we find this key, and so we need to flatten the G to a G flat. And now we have formed an A flat 7th chord. You can also call it A flat dominant 7. Now just like we've done here, let's check the inner fifths. First of all, we see that between an A flat and an E flat we find a perfect fifth. How about tone 2 and 4, C to G flat? As always, let's ignore the accidentals first. We get C to G. From C to G we find a perfect fifth. But from C to G flat we find a diminished fifth. The perfect interval of C to G gets diminished. So the second fifth in a dominant 7th chord is a diminished fifth, or maybe you remember, it's also called a tritone. I'll symbolize the tritone with this little arpeggio line. So I've put the dominant 7th chord into our list down here. So to sum it up, in a major 7th chord we find 2 inner perfect fifths. In a minor 7th chord we also find 2 perfect inner fifths. In a minor major 7th chord we find a perfect inner fifth and an augmented inner fifth. In a dominant 7th chord we find a perfect inner fifth and a diminished inner fifth, or a tritone. Well, and that's it for today.